Hello everyone, my name is Vipra Joshi and I am an assistant professor in St. Andrews Institute of Technology and Management in Electrical Engineering Department. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on subject of electrical power generation. In this video, I will be explaining tidal energy and its generation. This is unit 3rd topic of 6th semester in electrical engineering branch. Tidal energy. Tidal energy, tidal power also called tidal energy and is the form of hydropower which convert energy of tides into the useful form of power, mainly in electricity. We get energy from the sea in different form. First is tidal energy, and second we can get energy in the form of wave energy, and third we can get in the form of ocean thermal energy. So we can get in three ways. Okay, and in this video we will be discuss on the tidal energy. The phenomena of high and low tide given to the tidal energy. These tides are the waves caused by the gravitational pull of the moon and the sun. Ocean tide are the periodic rise and fall of the ocean water level. Occurs twice in each lunar day. During one lunar day, the ocean water level rise twice and falls twice, and we can say that the twice are basically um, two times comes in a day. And the interval between the two low tide and high tide is 6.207 hours. Tidal range is the difference between the two consecutive high tide and low tide. If we define to calculate the range of the tidal, we can take difference between two high tides and two low tides. During high tide, the water flow into the dam, and during low tide, the water flow out of the dam, which result in the moving of the turbine. And we know that turbine is connected with the alternator, so alternator also rotate and it generate the electricity. Tidal power has potential for future electricity generation, not yet widely used. Tides are more predictable than the wind energy and the solar energy because we know tides are come in a day. Tides are the periodic rise and fall on the sea surface, occurring once or twice a day, driven by the gravitational attraction of the sun and the moon and the earth rotation. In this diagram we can see here the tide electricity generation work as the tides come in and again it will goes out. At first the during high tide the water level goes through here, and during low tide this water come here. So in during both times we can generate electricity. It moves the turbine. The turbine driven by the power, tidal power is move on the both direction, means power of the sea in the both direction it can work. These are the diagram of high tide and low tide. Picture of high tide and low tide. Basic principle of the power plant. As we know, the phenomena of high and low tide gives the tidal energy. So how we are getting it? Means how we are getting our tidal energy. The principle is that the potential energy of water is stored in the basin is used to drive the turbine, and which in turn generate the electricity as it is directly coupled to the alternator. This is done a dam by the a dam is constructed in such a way that the basin get separate from the sea and a difference of water level obtained between the basin and sea. During the high tide it is full and and empty during the low tide, and this potential energy stored in the basin used to move the turbine. This is the basic principle of the tidal power. Let's discuss the working of the tidal energy. When high and low tides situation is there, at some time of a day, water in the ocean start receding from the source, and it recede around 10 to 15 meter. Then after some time ocean water level is rise up. This is very common phenomena that happens on the source, and this rise and falls on the water level is known as tide. So tides are basically the cause of gravitational pull of the sun, moon, and the rotation of the earth. So their combined effect is caused the tides, sun, moon, and rotation of the earth. These are responsible for the tides. Now when the pull is strong there is a high tide, and when the pull is weak there is a low tide. This effect tides happens twice a day. So we can use this tide from generate electricity for generate electricity. So the generate electricity reservoir is made on the narrow opening of the sea, and when there is a high tide the gate of the reservoir are open, by which we had fitted the turbine on the opening from the reservoir to the sea. So when the gate are open, water rushes from the sea into the reservoir, and hence turbine start rotate, and when turbine rotate we get electricity. So during high tide when we had opened the gate, water flows from the sea to the reservoir, and when water level are equal in the both side then gate are again closed. When there is a low tide we had high water head in the reservoir, so the water is flow from the reservoir to the ocean side, because low water head in the ocean side. So when there is a low tide, then we again open the gate and water flow from the reservoir to the sea. So we get one more rotation of the turbine, and hence we get electricity. So in one tidal phenomena we are generate electricity for two times. So in all day we get four time electricity as two tides occur in a day. It means we generate electricity in one day four times. I hope you understand this topic. We can say that for generate the tidal energy, हमारे पास जब इधर हमारा वाटर लेवल बहुत हाई हो जाता है, ड्यूरिंग हाई लेवल, दिस वाटर गोज फ्रॉम हेयर टू हेयर, मीन्स हमारा हाई टाइड के समय ये सारा वाटर जाता है रिजर्वायर में. ओके तो इस टाइम पे हमारा जो ये गेट है, इस गेट को हम ओपन कर देते हैं और हमारा जो टरबाइन है वो क्या होता है, ये वाटर हाई से लो की तरफ जा रहा है तो उसकी कुछ पोटेंशियल एनर्जी जो है वो उसको काइनेटिक एनर्जी में चेंज होकर उसे मूव करा रही है टरबाइन को. ठीक है, और जब हमारा ये रिजर्वायर ऊपर तक भर जाता है तो उसके बाद क्या होता है, फिर लो टाइड्स आएंगी. तो जब लो टाइड्स आएंगे तो वाटर फ्लो होगा रिजर्वायर से सी की तरफ. तो उस टाइम पे भी फिर से हम अपना गेट ओपन करके ये पानी टरबाइन के थ्रू गिरा के हम फिर से अपनी टरबाइन को रोटेट कराएंगे, जिससे कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट होगी. जैसे हमने वहाँ विंड एनर्जी में पढ़ा था, सेम उसी तरीके का फिनोमिना है टाइडल एनर्जी का भी. विंड एनर्जी में भी क्या होता था, एक रोटर होता था और जो विंड आती थी वो हमारी ब्लेड्स को रोटेट कराती थी. तो सेम उसी टाइप की जो ब्लेड्स होती हैं वो भी हमारी टाइडल एनर्जी की होती हैं, जो पानी की फ्लो से रोटेट होती हैं और उनसे जनरेटर कनेक्ट होता है और जनरेटर घूमेगा तो हमें इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस होगी. तो ये जो टाइड्स हैं, ये टाइड्स जो हैं सी में, वो तीन के इफ़ेक्ट के ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स की वजह से आते हैं, सन, मून एंड अर्थ रोटेशन. इन तीनों का जो कॉम्बिनेशन का जो इफ़ेक्ट पड़ता है वो उसकी वजह से टाइड्स आते हैं समुद्र में. ये एक दिन में दो बार हाई टाइड आएगा और दो बार लो टाइड आएगा, इसलिए हम चार बार इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट कर सकते हैं. Some advantage of the tidal power plant. Tidal are very much predictable. It happens for the short twice a day. So it is reliable and it is the better. And it is independent of the rainfall. These power plants do not damage a large area of valuable land. So tidal energy is environment friendly energy. Okay, so it does not produce greenhouse gases, and the generation of this energy on the large scale, because 71% of earth's surface is covered by the water, and its efficiency is very good as compared to the coal, solar and wind energy power plant. its efficiency is around 80%. And the tidal energy does not require any kind of fuel to the run. The life of tidal energy power plant is very long. And last is the large density of water, almost 100 times greater than in air, results in very large amount of energy to get out of the tidal current even if the speed is very low. So if the speed of water flowing is very low, after that we can get the large amount of power because what the density of water is 100 times greater than the air. These are the advantages of tidal power plant. Now the disadvantage of the tidal power plant. Power output depend on the tides produced, and these plant harmful the nature uses. So such is fishing and navigation. Cost of the construction of tidal power plant is very high, and there are very few idle location of construction of power plant. They too are localized on the coastal region only. Intensity of the sea waves is unpredictable, and there can be damage on the power generation unit. The actual generation is for the short period of time. The tides only happens twice a day, so electricity can be produced only for that time. When tides occur, only that time we can produce the electricity. Usually the place where the tidal energy is produced are far away from the place where it is consumed. So the transmission is very expensive and it is very difficult. The transmission of tidal energy from the production plant to the consumers is very expensive and very difficult. These are the disadvantages of the tidal energy. Thank you.